Hi there, welcome. My name is Juliusz Tomeczek. I'm the author of the AI for Everyone blog, and you are currently watching my digital avatar. You might ask, how did I do this? Today is Saturday morning, and I plan to prepare some shorts for my latest article, From Eliza to ChatGPT, where I discuss the history of chatbots. My assumption is that I want to create videos in both Polish and English right away. People who know me know that I am not a native English speaker, so a video in English made by me would be far from perfect. That's why I'll employ my digital twin for this role. And in this video, I'll show you how to do it, how to create an AI avatar. We'll go through the whole process together, starting with the Captions tool, the Pro version. Ready? Let's get started. Captions.ai is a real AI powerhouse for video creation, especially short-form content for social media. This tool offers much more than just captions. It provides automatic generation of accurate transcriptions and captions, intelligent dubbing in different languages, the key to my bilingual shorts, as well as the feature for creating digital avatars like the one you're seeing. Additionally, AI assists with editing by correcting eye contact, removing awkward silences and filler words, while a built-in teleprompter makes recording easier. All this aims to make your videos look professional and engaging without tedious work. In the Pro version, which we will be exploring, the possibilities are even greater. This is exactly where we'll start creating my digital twin. Okay, I'm already logged into Captions. The interface is right in front of me. I admit at first I wasn't sure exactly how to create the avatar, but a quick look at the help section cleared up any doubts. I found everything I needed there. So I'm going straight to the AI Twins feature because this is where the process of creating my digital twin begins. Now I'm recording a few short clips so the AI model can learn my facial expressions and movements. Next, the crucial stage, I'm reading the sample text so the system can register my voice. This is super important because how natural my AI twin will sound depends on this. Finally, I give it a name and, well, we wait for the system to do its thing. Let's give it a moment. And there it is. My digital twin from Captions is finally ready to go. Great. I can immediately start creating the first short promoting my latest article on the history of chatbots from the AI for Everyone blog. So I navigate to Projects, AI Creators, Custom. I paste the prepared script. In Polish, that part about machines talking and writing poems. I select my avatar, choose a suitable caption style, and click Generate. After Captions algorithms work for a moment, the video is ready. Straight to editing. The key change, eyes. I want the avatar to look straight into the camera. I apply the correction and Captions processes it again. I check the result. It looks really good. All that's left is to export and save it to the disk. The first video in Polish is ready. Great, the Polish version is ready, and now it's time to prepare the English version. The goal is the same, a short promoting my latest chatbot article from AI for Everyone. Again, in projects, I select AI Creators, the custom option. This time I paste the English script I prepared, quick text correction, checking to be sure. I select my avatar, of course, match the appropriate caption style, and voila. The AI magic works, video generates, okay, done. Now for a quick edit, I set the video shape for a short, and of course the crucial eye correction towards the camera. Again, it has to be perfect. Last step is exporting, and the English video lands on the drive. Great stuff. 2 language versions so quickly, done. Surely you're curious about the result? Here it is. First, the Polish version. Cześć, nazywam się Juliusz i jestem autorem bloga AI for Everyone. Czy zastanawialiście się kiedyś, jak dzisiejsze maszyny potrafią z nami rozmawiać, pisać wiersze, a nawet pomagać w codziennych zadaniach? To nie stało się z dnia na dzień. Zaawansowane modele językowe, takie jak ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud czy polski Bielik, które coraz śmielej wkraczają w naszą rzeczywistość, są zwieńczeniem dekad badań i eksperymentów. Ta podróż rozpoczęła się znacznie wcześniej niż moglibyście sądzić, a jej korzenie sięgają połowy XX wieku, kiedy komputery zajmowały całe pomieszczenia, a idea myślącej maszyny fascynowała pionierów informatyki. Resztę informacji na ten temat znajdziecie w najnowszym wpisie na moim blogu AI for Everyone. Link w bio. And now the English one. Hi there, my name is Julius and I'm an author of the AI for Everyone blog. Have you ever wondered how today's machines can talk to us, write poems, and even help with daily tasks? It didn't happen overnight. Advanced language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or the Polish Bielik, which are increasingly entering our reality, are the culmination of decades of research and experimentation. This journey began much earlier than you might think, with roots reaching back to the mid-20th century, when computers filled entire rooms, and the idea of a thinking machine fascinated computer science pioneers. You can find the rest of the information on this topic in the latest post on my AI for Everyone blog, link in bio. And there you have it. As you saw, step by step, we created Polish and English versions of the video using my AI digital twin in the Captions app. Amazing how this technology works, right? For me, as the author of the AI for Everyone blog, it's a huge help. Artificial intelligence allows me to create content in different languages, overcoming the language barrier and saving valuable time in the process. Both shorts about the history of chatbots are ready for publication. I hope this short demonstration was interesting and inspiring. It's proof of how accessible and powerful AI tools are becoming for all of us today. Do your own experiments. For more, please visit the AI for Everyone blog. Thanks for your attention, and please subscribe to the channel and like this video. AVE AI Friends.